Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have the DeLonghi Grand Dama Espresso machine. Now, this machine had a lot of work done. So let me start by saying that we replaced the board, the one that you see right here. This is the older one. As you can see, there's some. Give me 1 second. There's some damage on one of the fluid contact points, and it was just behaving bad, and it was just not displaying anything. So we replaced it, and now the machine is working fine. We also replaced one of the coupling carafes of the machine. This one that you see right here. There was a lot of milk buildup all around the pipes, especially the one that goes around to the sonar valve. It was just completely full of milk. And yeah, even the micro switches and everything in there, it was just all milk stuck in there. Basically, we also did a tune-up on the machine, replacing the gasket of the generator, the one that you see right here, replacing the infuser with a newer one, this one right here, and well, to be more precise, this one that you see right here. We also service the door. Give me 1 second. Perfect. We also service the door, disassembling everything in here and deep cleaning everything to make sure there's no coffee grounds or nothing getting stuck. As you can see, now it's pretty secure. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test the whole functions of the machine at once. And let me just get a container. Hopefully this is big enough to do the whole cappuccino, so we're gonna test it out. Let's put the cup in the position number 2, and we also clean the grinder around to make sure there's no old beans or anything in there. So right now it's siphoning the milk through. We're using milk cleaner solution, which is gonna be a substitute how the milk should come out in how to siphon through the carafe. And as you can see, it's doing really good crema or foam. I mean, really good froth. Alright, hopefully my container is not smaller enough, which I think it is at this point. I'm just gonna let the coffee run on a different container. Really wonderful shot of espresso coming out of the machine. Really good color, excellent water flow. As this container is just 1.5 ounces and the cappuccino is more than that, as you can see, it just started to spill. So yeah, we have the containers I should have. Well, as you saw, we have really good crema, really good frothing coming out of the frother, and yeah, working perfectly fine. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.